This is just about the process and the feeling and doing something nice for you. My name is Ruby Jones and I'm an illustrator from Wellington, New Zealand. So the activity I've created today is called My Safe Haven, and it's about creating an image of calmness. It's a space you can look at and bring your mind back to centre. A space full of all the things that make you feel safe and warm and happy. So the idea is to cut them out from the page, stick them into your place and colour them in. When I think of feeling calm and really good and centred, I think about feeling cosy and warm. And so I'm going to definitely put in a big, nice cosy rug on the floor to start with. You can do whatever you want with this. There's no rules and no barriers. You can create a whole other universe if you want to. On this page there's also some little characters that we can include, so they could either be you or you and your friends or whoever. So once you've cut out everything to go in your safe haven, you can start placing it and seeing what works. I'm going to pop a little me on there. I'm just sitting in there, staying calm. And I'm going to put a little record player in here too, just to enjoy some music. Okay, so now that I've got everything cut out and put where I want, for me I'm going to colour in first, just in case things do shuffle around a bit. I'll start with this beautiful peachy colour of the Bic Intensity dual markers, and I'm going to use the lovely brush end. Again, take as much or as little time with this as you want. I've been interested in mindfulness since I was probably a teenager, and I feel like I'm always trying to get closer to it and better at it in everything I do. When things do just feel a bit much, I think bringing it all back to centre and reminding myself how to just be present and be in the now is really important for me. So with my rug, I've got my yellow, red, peach and orange here. I've got the peach from the armchair, which I want to bring back in. Again, I don't think there's any rules at all with colour or anything, it's just whatever you feel looks best, whatever you like. I love how the Intensity range has so many fine line markers that are really bright as well. I feel like that's often hard to find. It's really lovely to be able to colour in at the same time as doing the fine detail. Now I think I'm going to focus on the little cushions and pillows that I'm going to pop on the rug. I might do a darker blue and a purple or a light blue. I'm now going to do my record player. I'm going to make the record player nice and bright and yellow just for some fun. And these faces on the little figures are totally blank, so you can draw in your little expression, whatever you might be doing. So this person has their eyes closed. They're in a little dream state, I think. So once you've got all your objects in place, you can start to stick them down with a glue stick. This activity is for anyone of any skill level. You don't need any experience making any sort of art. It's just about using your imagination, having fun colouring in, cutting out, sticking down and deciding what this place is for you and what it means to you. So this is my finished little safe haven. It's a little space I can look at and try and put myself there whenever I'm feeling a little bit anxious or overwhelmed by what else is happening in the world. I can go here and hopefully feel as calm as this little person. Thank you so much for joining me for this activity, and I hope you have fun creating your own safe haven.